Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi AX4200 wireless tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system setup. What's in the box? Orbi router RBR750 or more Orbi satellites RBS 750 power adapters Ethernet cable. Download the Orbi app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Create a Netgear account or sign in. Unplug your modem, wait 5 to 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for it to fully reboot. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router's yellow Internet port to your modem. Plug in the Orbi router and turn it on. Wait for the LED to turn solid white, then pulse white. Place your Orbi satellites in a central location, away from walls or large obstructions. Plug them in and wait for the LED to pulse white, then turn solid blue or amber blue, good connection. Amber, fair connection. Magenta, no connection, move it closer to the router. Set your Wi-Fi network name, SSID and password. It may install firmware updates, allow it to finish. Use the Wi-Fi credentials you created to connect your phone, laptop, smart TV, etc. For advanced settings, visit http://orbilogin.com in a browse. Thanks for watching.